Really?
Good one too.
Right, you go. You
This is
just
a
cast
good
it right,
red, dude.
cast it right on top of me. Stole my shit. Yeah, it's red. I see it.
I need to loosen this up. There we go. That's how he's supposed to be fighting. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Austin Moon, and you're watching Salty Moon Fishing. Today, me and Dad are actually out here doing a little bit of creek fishing out here in Mayport. We're gonna look for some redfish and some trout. I'm throwing a gold spoon as of right now, and I plan on kind of trying this out. I haven't used these a whole lot, but trying it out, putting it to the test today. And Dad is currently throwing a live target pinfish, and we're gonna see which one does it. Yeah, let it focus on in there. Sweet. But yeah, guys, we're already in the creek, so let's get to fishing. Got him. Trout skis. Anchor. Found a fish.
See if there's another one over there.
First fish of the morning.
Finally, break the ice.
Sweet. Yeah, he was sitting down deep. He's definitely not legal. Well, he might be, but he's close.
Yeah, too close to even worry about.
Nice.
Pretty though.
Little trout skis. Yeah, he's pretty. He's got like purple on him. Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, nice one too. Tighten that drag up.
I'm trying.
Dad's hooked up.
Oh, no.
No! Damn it.
Damn, I gotta tighten this drag. Son of a bitch. God, that was a red too.
Oh yeah, that was a good red. Damn it. Got him. Little rat red. Shit.
Say anchor is right out here.
Little rat red. Little guy, but that's a trout and a redfish today. One spot.
Two on this side.
3 spotter. Oh, had him.
Yeah, damn it.
Darn it, looking at my fish.
And it was just sitting and he took off with it like.
Yep, that's that gold, man. Nice.
Pretty fish.
Nothing to brag about, but I will take them all day. Nice.
Another rat red?
Yeah. Another little rat. Super slow.
I mean, I'm working on so slow.
Another little rat. He is a, bottom or a fish? It looks like it moved.
It didn't move, but it is moving.
Oh, you got a shell. Got it?
Yeah.
But yeah, another little guy. Let's get him back in the water. By the way, guys, I wasn't throwing a gold spoon anymore for the for those 2 redfish. I'm throwing a Berkeley Gulp new penny shrimp on a 1/8 ounce jig head. Something? Bottom? You got him. Nice flatty. Look at that. Look at that inshore slam, baby. Yeah.
I made sure he was on before I grabbed it that time.
We're on. We're rolling. Heck yeah. Yeah, he was just chilling with it. Let's see if there's another one over there. Heck yeah.
Yeah, he grabbed
Short
it.
slam with redfish trout flounder. Nothing to, no monsters, but hey, I'll take it.
But he's probably legal size. But
Yeah,
we're gonna,
legal. He's 12 inches.
But he ain't got enough meat on him to.
Yeah, look at that. Sweet.
He might have went 13.
13, 14 incher.
He was skinny. Yeah, changed rods. Knew it was the problem.
Got him. Told you, man. He's good too.
You know?
Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. We got something with a little bit of size on him now. Let's see how big he is real quick. He is about 19.5 inches, 19, somewhere right in that area. But hey, he's bigger than any of the other ones we've gotten today.
We're definitely about to hit the land.
Yep. Oop, I'm gonna break my pole. Perfect. All right, let's let this guy go. He's pretty. He's even got some blue, like up on like his eyebrows. Oh, he's ready to go.
Yeah. Got another one.
Got another. Sweet.
I can handle this one in there.
Nice.
Look at the blue on that tail.
That's sick.
Another little 2-spotter.
Oh, I got.
Oh, you got the camera over here.
Yeah.
Pretty little fish too. Look at that blue in the light. I'll get it in the daylight.
Yeah, that is cool. Look at that. That's like super duper, like white blue.
Yeah, when he was coming up in the water, I was just like, wow, that thing's beautiful. Good looking little fish though.
Heck yeah.
Let's let him go. Oh yeah.
Nice. That's how we do it, baby.
Shoot. I'm out here fishing right now with Austin. Listen.
With the big red on.
Yeah.
Make sure that camera's on for me. You'll see a red dot on the screen. It's a good fish.
Yeah, it's on.
Sweet.
We got, this is number 5 on the reds, and we got 1 trout and the flounder. Yep. Yep.
Sweet. I knew that looked good over there. Another little guy, he's probably under, but hey man, that's 6 reds today.
Who?
I like it. All right,
sorta.
let's get him back in the water. Gotta change my gulp too. He done messed that thing up. Nice, dude.
Yeah, we'll get the net. We're gonna need. Whew, here's a good one. Yeah, I got it. Oh.
Watch out, he's about to fly.
Oh. Yeah, let me get that one on the camera. Yeah, woo. Solid.
Monster.
Man, I think good 5-6 pounder right there.
Use that.
Yeah, let him go.
Good fish.
Yeah, red. On net.
Yeah.
I'm covering grass already. Slide him on over here. Got it.
Yakka.
Number 6.
You gotta put that new penny back on.
Yeah, looks like it.
Another nice one, man. Awesome. He's got a really pretty, all these fish today, man, have had really pretty blue tails, but I'd say yours was probably the coolest looking one because it had that white in it.
Yeah.
I've barely ever seen redfish with that white on their tail. That was pretty cool. Hopefully the camera picks it up, but.
I've seen it, but usually that's like beach redfish.
And look at that tail, guys. Let me show you this other side. Look at that. That is beautiful. I mean, that is too cool. See if I can get the sun to hit it right.
Trash off. Alright, there you go.
Let's get a size on them and then we'll let them go. 20 and a half. It works.
I got him that time. Good fish too.
Awesome. Grab the net.
Definitely a red.
Is he done? Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, well, he wasn't really running.
Wasn't ready to come in.
No, not really. Kind
Kind of horsed him.
of a little bit. Golly, he wasn't coming unhooked either. Hey there, pretty little fish.
No, man.
See what are you gonna run? That new monster, 16.
16 inches.
16. Let's get him back in the water.
Nice. 2.7 right here.
7?
2.7.
No. I was about to say it was only 2 foot just a second ago. It's 7 foot now.
Damn it, I did not mean to cast that close to you.
Is that alright? Maybe it's like chumming.
Right. Oh, there's shrimp.
Really?
Good one too.
Right, you go. You
This is
just
a
cast
good
it right.
red, dude.
Cast it right on top of me. Stole my shit. Yeah, it's red. I see it.
I
Hey.
need to loosen this up. There we go. That's how he's supposed to be fighting.
See how it is.
Sorry, man. You know it was an accident.
Uh-huh.
Shit.
Heard that before. Where they at?
Oh, he's way over there.
Oh, I see it now.
Stud.
He ate it too. Gosh, it's all the way down his throat.
Gosh, we might have to keep him, huh?
Yeah, he swallowed that sucker. He was hungry.
He's bleeding his ass off though. I don't know if he's gonna live.
It was in his gill plate.
Yeah, we'll
Just
keep him.
I'd rather at least eat it than
Leave those out. I'm gonna try to get my jig head back in that case. All right, guys, we got another one. He is 20 inches, 20-inch redfish.
Unfortunately, he swallowed the hook.
Yeah, unfortunately, he swallowed the hook. So we're gonna keep this one. As you can see, he's bleeding. He's bleeding pretty good. He ain't gonna live, so he'll make good table fare though.
Yep. You need to rinse that seat off and wipe it off first.
Yeah, there's blood everywhere.
I know, but that.
Guys, look at this boat. I mean, blood everywhere. My shadow's not helping. Here. Murder scene. Ooh, got him. Trout. Good trout. No, not a trout. Yep, it is a trout.
It's a side hook.
Monster of the day. Right here.
Dang. He just like snatched his ass.
Look at the size of this thing. He is an absolute giant.
That's a gator right there.
Let's let him go.
Oh, gator trout.
Yeah, that's about as big as they get. That's a trout.
On the light rod, boy, golly, it's good on here.
That's a good trout. Oh, it's a red. Dang, too bad that wasn't a trout.
And there.
That would have been a good trout. Sweet. It's the only time you ever hear me say that though. You know, I prefer redfish all day.
Yeah. Yeah. Those are nice little ones, like maybe 13 inches or so.
All right, guys, so we're done fishing. We're gonna head back to the ramp and I'll talk to you guys then. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Great day of fishing, a lot of fun with Dad. We're about to clean up Mr. Redfish that swallowed the hook real quick. And
call it a day.
Yep. How many reds did we catch today?
I believe it was 9 reds, 2 trout, and a flounder.
Boom. That's what I'm talking about. A lot of fun. But all right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing my stuff. And you guys have a good one, and I'll see you on the next video.
Till next time.